Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to play with friends in Gangstar Mirage. So after you launch the game, here you can see in the above section phone option, but you will get click on it. Just click on phone option and here will get friends option. So you will get friends option only after you have completed the main mission. So make sure you have completed the main mission, and after that here you have to click on the friends option. After going to the friend option, here you will find already the friend list in the left hand side, if there is any. If you don't have any friends, then you have no friends yet. So if you have a friends list, simply click on it and you can easily play with him or with your friend list, and then you can just simply click on it and you will be able to see this option. You will get an invite option over here. So simply click on the invite option. I have no friends yet, so that's why I cannot show. But if you have friends, you will get invite option. Simply click on invite your friend, and once he accepted your invitation, you'll be able to play with him with each other. So by this way, you can easily play the game with your friends. You can also add as a friend. You can click on add as a friend over here and go to the recommended section, and here you can add your friend, whatever friend you want. You can simply click on the plus icon over here and you can send a friend request to them, and after you get a list of your friends, you can play with them easily without any problem. So by this way you can easily play with friends in Gangster Mirage game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.